In this video, we're going to take a look at the Hummer H3 rear wiper switch. The bulb went out in it, and well, we're going to replace it. See how easy it is. We're going to take it apart here, flat blade screwdriver, just kind of pry those two out, and this side, pull the back cover off. There's your bulb. It's a twist-in lamp bulb. We'll just take a screwdriver, pull it out. There she is. Nothing big. You can see it's all burnt around the edge there from years of overheating. Let's see, do I have a bulb? Okay, got a light bulb. Should be. Yeah, look at that, babe. That looks just like it. Looks like the same thing. Just put the bulb in. Doesn't matter which way you put it in because it's an incandescent bulb. Let's see. Get a little better screwdriver here. Just twist it just barely. And put the back on. Just like so. See, got a power plug here. Let me get some power to it so we can take a look and see if it works. Come on. Now we should have light again. There it is. Light. No light. Turn the light back on, and now she's lighting up like she used to. It's that easy. The Hummer H3 climate control is similar. Takes a different bulb, but the same style that screws in, maybe a quarter of a turn. I will have a link to the bulb for this in the description, and also for the climate control I'll put a link for both in there. And well, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.